Good morning, y'all. Crystal and I are here at the house. We're meal prepping for the day. We're going to make more bricks today. We're probably not going to be able to train today based off of our schedule. She has a client call at 10:30. We have to be in the kitchen making bricks at 1. We've got to do some computer work before that. Crystal, how you doing this fine day?
Doing good.
Doing good?
Yeah.
What are you meal prepping?
I already did my meals. I'm just making a tea.
Look at this. Liver, y'all. It's actually really starting to grow on me. I really like it.
By the way, anybody who was concerned about us spending too much at Starbucks, I'll have you know...
She's making her own pink drink.
I'm making my own pink drink, so...
But we do spend a lot of money at Starbucks.
Stop giving me a hard time.
So we're all about saving money. Alright, y'all, I've got my 2 sausages, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen mayo cooked in a tablespoon of butter, and Crystal's just eating eggs. Whole eggs. Just raw, whole eggs. There she goes. Alrighty, y'all, we have a couple new additions to the family. First of all, check this one out. There's my new microphone. Ramping up my podcasting. It's got a USB and XLR output, so pretty excited about that. And the other, much more cuter addition to the family is this right here. Of course, y'all know we live out in the country, or my folks do. This is where I grew up. We have a bunch of horses. Look at this. Little baby horse. Hey, little one. Hey, little one. Look at him play. Look at him play. And then, of course, the dogs. That right there is the look of intensity, dedication, and hard work.
Oh, boy.
That right there is what it looks like. Guess what we're doing, y'all? We are about to make more bricks. Kind of interesting. I don't really know what vlog footage we're going to get today because we've already made more bricks. And it looks pretty much the same each time. Lately, it has anyways. Once we scale up even more, we'll have new things to show. But we're making more bricks right now. Whoa, that's a mountain of bricks. Mountain of bricks. What do you think?
So good.
Alright, so we're not going to record much because we did all this yesterday. But Tyler is with us today. Tyler's my brother.
Yep.
Love you, Tyler. Pound it, pound it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, round 2 making bricks. We got the A-team, Kayla, Tyler, Crystal. I'm just here for good looks. I don't know what I'm doing here. But let's go home and go to bed. Good night, y'all. It is a very short vlog today, as you probably have noticed. We pretty much did the same thing we did yesterday. We made keto bricks. We worked with the clients. We edited a YouTube video. So today didn't have a whole lot of interesting, new, unique content. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. So when this comes out, it will be the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July. I think we're going to all spend some time with the family. My granny and pop are coming over here. We're going to grill some steaks. So I'm going to try and get some of that on footage, but I don't know how much because I just want to spend some time with the family. So sorry today's vlog was kind of short. Again, we just made bricks the whole time. So I mean, I know y'all like the bricks, but I don't imagine y'all just want to see me make them every time because it's a pretty similar process every time. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. However, I still got a vlog out today. There's still a vlog, even though there's not a whole lot of content, not a whole lot of unique content. I think I'm gonna get the hashtag every damn day tattooed on me somewhere. And that applies to training, that applies to nutrition, it applies to life, you know. You gotta put in the work every single day, whether it makes sense to at the moment or not, whether you want to in the moment or not. Like for me, in my mind, like when I say I'm gonna do something, like it really messes with me if it's incomplete. So if I had gone to bed tonight with an incomplete vlog with no closure, I would have just felt very empty. Like it's just weird. Like it's like OCD or something. I don't know. But yeah, say you're gonna do something, freaking do it. Even if some days are better than others, don't break that chain, because then it becomes much easier to break that chain. And that honestly can really be applied to macros. Like if you got a goal you're shooting for them, and you want to hit your macros to get that goal, or train consistently to hit that goal, the moment you start slacking on that and like being flippant with your macros or not really, caring about them as much, even if it's just one day, it like breaches that chain. It breaches that consistency, and then it becomes much, much easier to do so in the first place. Which is why I don't, like when I say I'm going to do a vlog every day, as long as I've got internet, I'm going to make sure I get one uploaded every day, because I don't want to break that chain and not be likely to do it, or be more likely to break it again going forward. So yeah, hashtag every damn day, all the way. Good night.